I'm hiccuping, and it is rather entertaining. Hello, Chris.
Hello, Aaron.
Say hello to the camera.
Hi.
Good day. Let's see if one's going to come out soon. There's going to be one coming soon. I'm going to have a drink of my pop first. Oh, one came out first. There should be another one coming soon. Yep, it was there. Wait for it.
You're gonna put that on YouTube? You're actually going to put that on YouTube?
Why not?
And then you can see your Louis Vuitton and then your hiccups.
How does everybody like my hiccups? Make sure to like it and share it.
Yeah, post it on Facebook.
Whoa, that one was covered in smoke. That one was like covered by pop. Oh, that one was mean. Hi. Oh. Now, once I'm done in the bathroom, I'm gonna drink water upside down to get rid of these motherfuckers. If you know what I'm saying. Because we can't be having these hiccups. I got shit to do. Like sleep. I'm just letting it out naturally. That's all I'm doing. Right, Chris?
Very natural.
I think I look rather graceful when I hiccup, if you ask me. And just so everybody knows, I do not normally drink pop. It's the only thing I have in my house besides water. I've drank a lot of water today. And I've eaten
All of my water.
a lot of ice cream as well.
Eaten. It would be eaten.
Are you correcting me, sir?
Well, you corrected yourself, so I thought you needed some guidance.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. That one was a beauty. For whoever's just tuning in now, I am recording myself hiccuping. Oh, wait, this is a YouTube channel, so you'd have to click on the video, so you would have started from the beginning. My bad. Oh, there's another one. I'm trying to decide what I should name the video. Maybe like...
You should try and spell the way you hiccup.
Hiccups from Hell.
No, from Messiah.
Oh!
Okay,
What was that?
Yeah, that was kind of gross.
That one, like, came out as a burp and a hiccup at the same time. Too bad I didn't have a class to stare at me. Oh! I'm gonna see if I can do it quieter next time. Let's bring it down. Nope. It's coming out.
You should really post it on YouTube.
Well, I'm going to.
And maybe Ellen will invite you on her show and try and give you hiccups.
Nope. I think it's just echoing really loudly in here. I know, I love Ellen. I can't wait. It's just ridiculous that Finding Dory is not coming out until 2015.
I know.
It's sad. Oh, and Jenna Marbles, I love you. You're my hero. I really hope I get to meet you someday. I'm going to post this on your page, then hopefully you watch it. Or can you do that? I don't know. I should really be drinking water, but it's actually really gross. Coke Zero is disgusting. Actually, really, any Coke is disgusting. Including cocaine. And smoking is terrible for you. We're actually reading a book right now called Alan Carr's Easy Way to Stop Smoking. And our spring resolution is to stop smoking, which we're gonna accomplish.
Yes, we are.
Because I'm sick and tired of smoking. Oh God, and I'm sick and tired of these hiccups. I'm gonna peace out here when my cigarette's done. Whoa, that one was a little muffled. Chris, you shouldn't open your mouth wide like that. You're sending mixed signals to your camera.
It's your camera.
He likes to swallow his camera whole.
Oh my God.
His phone whole. Let's just say he bats for the other team.
Whatever.
Let's just say he doesn't like meat curtains.
Definitely not.
What would he like?
Oh my God, tomorrow should be Despicable Me.
He likes hot sausage.
Yeah. Tomorrow should be Despicable Me.
Oh God. Okay, well thank you so much for watching me hiccup. Please do not dislike this video. Well, if you do, I actually really don't care. Because all I'm doing is having fun. And I'm going to go watch a couple episodes of Family Guy, and then I'm going to go to bed because I have a calculus exam in the morning. So I'm going to go get some sleep. I hope that you all have a wonderful evening, because here in Alberta, Canada, it is like 2:30 in the morning. 2:51 in the morning. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of these hiccups. And then go to bed after I watch Family Guy. And go pet my dog, which she has been farting all night. Oh my God. And it just reeks. So, yeah. Have a good night. Bye.